Listen to this. It is the duty of the imagination to picture clearly what we perceive in faith. Got a picture maker sitting up in you, and you didn't even know that, did you? So you go around just making pictures. Any kind of pictures that you see, you allow that imagination to get an image of it. Can you see where I'm coming from? From this moment on, not only are you going to watch your words, but you're going to do what? You're going to watch what you take. You're going to watch what you see. You're going to watch the image. And we have a very unique statement in New Thought, and we say it this way: believe, conceive, and achieve. Believe, faith. Conceive, image. And you will then achieve. You got it? Believe it, conceive it, then you will achieve it. Everything that appears in your body, life, and affairs is the result of your own image likeness patterns. Too bad, isn't it? Everything that you have in your life, world, and affairs, it could not get there if there had not been a picture just like whatever it is you have brought forth. Change the image if you don't like what you're doing. That's where it is. Imagination, get it straight, is an attribute of God. It is the formative power of thought. It is the molding power of the mind. It is that which gives shape, tone, and color to thinking. Every word, every combination of words, every word, every combination of words, every word, every combination of words has in back of them an image. Am I getting through to you? An image. You have made a picture, or it would not be in your life. Do you want a new life? Do you want a healthy body? Do you want a pocket full of money? Yes. Whatever you desire, you can have it when you visualize it. Have you ever heard the word visualization before? Do you know how to visualize? It's just another word to say, see whatever it is you want. Visualization means mentally seeing the things that you want to have in your life, world, and affairs. I wonder, have you got it?